Right, so you want to change your grille, want to put something on a bit flashy, change it out, do whatever you want to do, make your car look good. This is for your Honda Civic fans. Pretty much standard, I think, for quite a few grills on this type of model. So have a look, see what I do, see how the battle I go through to try and get it out. Something so simple ends up being a bit of a fight. So hopefully this will help you, and enjoy the video. So right, so we lifted the bonnet up. Make sure it's nice and steady before you do it. What you've got here, you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 10mm plastic nuts. And you've got a couple of clips as well on there as well. So obviously it's an old car, so be careful when you're doing this. The best thing to do is just loosen them all at the same time. Just be careful, take your time. Perhaps spray a bit of WD-40 on them. It is at the front of the car as well, so it does take a lot of hassle. Oh, see, this one's got a bit of rust on it. There you go. Just take your time. So hopefully, never done it on this car before, so I'm not too sure what to expect when I take it off. Probably fall apart on me. Don't lose these. I suppose you could use something else if you wanted to, but try and keep hold of the ones you've got. That's where a lot of these car makers use all these individual different type of nuts and bolts and plastic trims and all sorts of stuff. A lot of them, that's what you're dealing with. That. See if you can see that. You see it in my hand. It's a really sunny day today, so a bit of a struggle with the old light. Had a heat wave for God knows how long now. So hopefully, when this one comes off, it should just it's held in by the clips, so hopefully got these. Sure. That's it. Just prise it out gently. Trying to be careful because I don't pull it too much because it'll end up breaking. See, the one in the middle's right in her really hard to see in there. So the first one come out really easy. So it's got a clip there and there that doesn't want to come out. Oh, perhaps that's why. There it goes. And the one in the middle, it's got like a little hole there. It's a bit of a struggle. Just the inside, I think it's going to go. There we go. And there's your prize. So it's got these things here where you just squeeze in, but they're really, really old. You can see that. Just point it there, those. So you've got 3 of them. And that's it. That's your grill off. Just be careful, methodical. Basically the same as to put it back on. Just knock them in. Putting it in is so much easier than taking it out. Man, I'm sweating as well, it's so hot. I think it's hotter in Jamaica at the moment. Put your nuts back on and tighten them to start off with. Just don't know why they just don't bolt the whole thing on. I don't know why they don't know why they mess with these bloody clips. I mean, there's probably a Honda tool for it. For the sake of a once over, just use your pliers. It will come, just take your time. It's mainly for you Honda Civic owners who want to change your grille, want to make it look a bit flashy. Right, just tighten them up. Don't over tighten them, they are plastic, don't need over tighten. And that's it, that's all as like. Hopefully this helps you. If you usually want to change your grill over, nothing's ever simple, but hopefully this helps you. Thanks for watching.